Hey guys, this is Chris Pratt, and this is a tutorial on how to install OpenVPN, a free proxy VPN security tool which will help to mask your IP address. First step is to go to www.vpnbook.com. Once you hit enter, this is the page that will appear. Next step is to go to the How To tab, and depending on which operating system you're running, you want to click on the hyperlink. I'm running Windows 10, so I will click on this one. I'm going to hit this arrow over once, and this hyperlink will lead you to the OpenVPN Windows Client download website. Click on that, and right here we want to download this exe because we're on Windows 7 or later. We want to keep the file, and we want to install it. Hit next. I agree. We want to install all of this. Hit next. At this location, yes. Install. It's completed. Hit next. We don't need to see the README, so hit finish. The next step is to go back to vpnbook.com, go to the free VPN accounts tab, and in this box we have the free OpenVPN VPNs depending on which country that you want to be in. We're in the US, so we want to download this VPN bundle. It appears that this one it's been optimized for fast web surfing, but it has no peer-to-peer downloading. So unfortunately, this won't work for you if you plan to do any peer-to-peer downloading. But for my purposes, this works just fine. So we'll click on this. We have downloaded the file that we need. Click Show in Folder. We need to extract this file. Extract the same location is fine. This is the extracted folder. Copy that. Go to your C drive, Program Files, OpenVPN, Config, and paste that here. Great. Now the next step is to go to the shortcut that was created on your desktop, OpenVPN GUI. And now in this bottom corner we have the icon for OpenVPN. Now before we connect to that, let's see what our IP address currently is. According to Google, our IP address, this is our public IP address. Now we'll right click on this, go to TCP/80, click connect, and there is a username and password that you need to enter here, and that is found back on vpnbook.com. At the bottom of this box initially we have the username and password that we need. So let's type in vpnbook and 5E38T23. Save that password, it's fine. Enter, and this is doing some work, and we are now connected to TCP/80. Now let's go back to my IP and refresh the page and see how it changed. We now have a different public IP address. So from now on, you should be able to browse the internet with a masked IP address so that you can browse securely. That's it for the tutorial. Thank you.